All right, so let's take a look at this. I'm going to open it up. Now, usually these come separate and they have 2 batteries, and I think they're AAAs. So let's go ahead and set that down. So here we are, right? So let's get this out of its little package. We may save that package. We don't know. We may save that package. All right, here's our 2 batteries. You got to kind of pop them like this. All right, so there's one. Let's get this one out. Yeah, plastic everywhere. Why don't they? It's ridiculous. They just wrap everything in plastic. But that's why the world's falling apart, for Christ's sake. A little political commentary about plastic. God bless it. Why is this not coming off? Oh, Jesus, Mary and Joseph. All right, here we go. On the back, you're going to notice there's a little arrow. You push it. No, you're supposed to push it. It's supposed to release. Oh, Jesus. Oh, there we go. Well, that's not a good design. All right, negative goes to the springs. Your negative is your flat side. Let's get them in there and see what we got. Here's one. Positive here, negative there. Negative here, positive opposite. So they're always like going opposite, right? So I'm doing this side down. Right there. All right, so let's take a look at it. Negative here, positive. Negative here, positive. So we're good. So let's go ahead and put that in there. And then bam, Bob's your uncle. It's already showing us something. It says 61 Fahrenheit. I don't think that's it. This is the power button here, but we're going to go over that after we plug it in. But we've got this ready to go. And when we plug it in, we'll go over all the controls on this. Let's try it here. There we go. So now that's on. Now I can test it. Yep, that works. Turn it back on. The green light's on. Test off. Green light on. Bam, done. Okay, so that's on. Now, if we come over here and we want to turn on the power, we're going to hit the power button. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, we got it at 61 degrees. All right, so it's 81 in the apartment. We've got it on cool. Now you can change the mode just by pressing this. There's dry, there's fan, but we want it cool. And I think we're on Fahrenheit. Follow me? But we can drop it down. I'm going to put it to 60, 70. And the fan, we can go high, medium, low, or back. Now, the timer, you can set this. But you know what? I'm going to leave that for geniuses, because do we really need the timer? I don't think so. You can feel it right now. It's cooling. It takes a while for it to kick in. It's definitely cool. It's 81 right now. Hopefully it'll get lower. All right, we got it at 69. All right, that's working pretty good. Now, we do have, oh, I almost forgot. Then you have this here, right? So I'm not sure if it's gonna work when I click this, if it turns off. I may have to turn it off here and then start with this, but let's try. Okay, so it does turn off. All right, so now I can turn it back on. Watch. So that's the power, right? Now if I want to go up in temperature, I press this. See, 62, 63. If I want to go down, 62, 61. And then it has all the other controls on it, just like this. It's got the mode, it's got quiet, it's got swing. We've got it swinging already. If I want it to stop the swing, I could go like this. And then it's just going to open up. Okay. Oh no, it's still swinging. There, that stops it. Now let me get it swinging. Okay, that's good. Now the fan, I can change here if I press this, watch. Apparently it's not working. It's not doing anything, it's just on high. Huh. It's got a dimmer too. I don't think you need that. But this basically tells you we've got it set at 61, we got it on cool. So that's the important thing. And then you can just keep this up here and you're ready to go. And so now we'll just let that cool off the house a little bit. Hopefully it does a good job. We'll see. I do want to tape that. I think if I taped it, it would be better. But that seems to be working. Now let's go outside and we'll feel the blast of air. Apparently this is live. Jesus, I can't get the door open. Oh, it's definitely hot out here. You can feel it. This is the incoming and the outgoing. That seems to be working pretty good. Now I just got to put those locks on. And I think we're going to be good. Now this was a little bit different than what I'm used to. I'm used to a whole different systems. But this seems to be, this should cool it down good enough so when she gets here it'll be nice. And then if she's got some tape, we could tape this up right here. But anyway, that's the new Hisense 8000 BTU with the dual flex hoses, how you set it up. And you know, this was in a pinch. We had to do it quick because we were getting very hot here in Florida. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.